Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Delta Antoni 18803 SBDST Pull Down Sprayer kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Delta Antoni 18803 SBDST pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet, Delta, MagnaTite docking uses a powerful integrated magnet to set your pull-down sprayer precisely into place and hold it there so it stays docked when not in use. Delta SpotShield technology helps to keep your kitchen faucet cleaner longer by resisting water, spots, and fingerprints. Keep your space spotless with SpotShield technology, available across a variety of finishes for the kitchen and bath. Delta kitchen faucets with diamond seal technology perform like new for life with a patented design which reduces leak points, is less hassle to install, and lasts twice as long as the industry standard. You can install with confidence, knowing that Delta kitchen faucets are backed by our lifetime limited warranty. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Delta Antoni 18803 SBDST pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. Lasts 2x longer, patented diamond seal technology reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard, ensuring leak-free operation for the life of the kitchen sink faucet. Industry standard is based on ASME 112/18, 1 of 500,000 cycles. Magnetic docking. MagnaTite docking uses a powerful magnet to snap your kitchen sprayer into place so it stays docked and doesn't droop over time like other kitchen faucets. Easy installation, designed to fit single-hole or 3-hole 8-inch configurations. Everything you need is together in one box, including an optional deck plate for 3-hole installation and InnoFlex PEX supply lines that are integrated into the faucet for one less leak point. Commercial style design. The casual, yet modern Antoni kitchen faucet provides a contemporary design in SpotShield stainless finish that resists water, spots, and fingerprints. ADA compliant. The high arc gooseneck design swivels 360 degrees with a 20-inch flexible hose reach for added convenience during everyday kitchen tasks. Hot or cold indicator markings. Delta Antoni 18803 SBDST pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: MagnaTite docking, SpotShield technology, diamond seal technology, single handle design, pull-down sprayer, 2-function spray, high arc spout, 360-degree swivel, lifetime limited warranty, stylish design, generally positive user reviews. Cons: installation, sprayer head, limited reach. Ultimately, the decision depends on your priorities and budget. If you value high-quality materials, innovative features, and a sleek design and are willing to invest, the Delta Antoni 18803 SBDST could be a great choice. However, if budget is a primary concern or you require a longer reach alternative, options might be more suitable. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Delta Antoni 18803 SBDST pull-down sprayer kitchen faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.